Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It is a busy day for me. I just got my daughter to school after she had pre-op appointments and a COVID test. We are traveling this week. My daughter's having surgery. If you've been around a while, you know that happens from time to time. So I have a very small haul because the only 2 meals that I have to make at home this week, I am using mostly pantry and stuff that we have on hand. I'm getting a few road trip things, a few snacks because you know my husband likes snacks, and we're gonna get into the store, see what they got, and I have very few recipes to share, but they will be linked below. So let's get in the store and get the goods. So gorgeous out. I'm not gonna try either of these, but I thought they're interesting. Turkey stuffing potato chips and garlic mashed potatoes. Also, I was sent these on Instagram, but bratwurst and beer chips. No thanks. I'll pass on all of them. I'm gonna get these for the car trip. My daughter always likes to have little cakey things on the road. $1.50. Well, obviously these were not on my shopping list, but for 99 cents, I think they'll make a good addition to tonight's dinner. Pumpkin spice donuts. Sure. Guys, this is not looking good. I didn't even get a cart today. I just have a bag, and I've already bought one extra thing. My husband wants more of these. He always likes them when we're driving. It's a long trip from Kalamazoo to Baltimore, so I'm gonna get 5 of them, which should be enough. He is not a coffee drinker. He is a Summit Red Thunder drinker. $1.19 a piece. These caught my eye, mini pie molds, $9.99. I love hand pies. Pretty plates, air fryer, cookie sheets. You can tell it's getting time for holiday baking. Those are pretty. $19 for a 20-piece set. Turtlenecks, pants, blazers, socks. Oh Lord. Dog bed. It is very messy in these aisles. Lots of chaos. Toys are coming for the holidays. Games, window clings. I could smell these before I even saw them. They smell amazing. I love the smell of that stuff. Also, I just saw some people were saying they just got this in their Aldi, but ours is already clearancing out all the chai lattes. So I'm surprised. I don't know why they're not selling out here, but I know people like them. So if you're local, dirty chai latte. I'm actually tempted to get a few of those for my daughter's recovery, get her to drink more milk by adding that to it. All of these specialty bars are marked down. Lots of markdowns. Like, I don't see a lot of new stuff. Our Christmas aisle is actually put together now, and it wasn't. When I came here last week, you guys saw my Advent haul. So we'll go through this now. More Stroop waffles. All the little different candies. Peanut clusters with milk chocolate. That sounds really good. That'd be a problem in the car probably. And they have dark chocolate too. Different bars, lots of different chocolates, cinnamon star cookies, truffles. We always like these pretzel rings to melt with the Hershey's and M&M's. Candy cane covered almonds, specialty coffees. Again, I'm not getting any of this stuff, just sharing it with you guys. Decorating kits, Elf on the Shelf. Oh look, they have all the different advents that they were missing last week. Elf, Cocoa Melon, different Legos, Guardians of the Galaxy. My son would have loved that. Countdown to Happiness. Oh, Belgian chocolates. Okay. Interesting. They still don't have the hot sauce, but I've moved on. They didn't even sell out of the limited beer and alcohol advent calendars they had. Of course, when I don't have a cart, they have a lot of my unflavored, but I'm gonna get them as many as I can, 78 cents a piece. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. I see 3 back here. Oh, no more, so I got 6. The update you all know you needed. Strawberry is still the only Bellevue flavor. Okay, let's see. I have little cheesecake bites. Oh, I don't know. You can't, the prices are not matching. Pumpkin pie. Waffles. There is the sweet potato casserole. The rolls. Oh, the yeast rolls are $4. I don't know how many they have. 10 rolls. Pizza, beef patties. I've never bought it though, and all the holiday meats. They still have the cheese ones too. This has literally become something I'm obsessed with. This Califia Farms coconut almond milk. It's so good. $3.97. My husband wanted vanilla ice cream. Will they have it? Oh, there we go. Lucky guy. $6.19. So here it is. There's my total. Hi, can I please have 2 loaves of day-old bread?
Yeah, is that all you need?
That's it, thank you.
All right, $1.06.
Thanks. Okay, so we only have 2 nights of dinners. I'm making homemade Jimmy John's subs. So you saw me get the bread. It's $1.09 for those. It's 53 cents each loaf locally. But we have leftover meats, cheeses, guacamole, different things from last week's meal plan. So it's a really good week to have subs. We also have chips, lots of things. Basically whatever leftovers we have, my family can have as sides. And then I'm also making potato soup. 1, because my daughter loves it. 2, I have everything on hand to make that. So it was really easy. And then I can easily freeze my leftovers and it won't be wasted food. And then finally, we are on a road trip. So even though my grocery haul was small, we will be making up for it with the cost of eating out for the rest of the week. If you want to see making homemade Jimmy John's in action, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and ciao.